Sam Polomeni here, and over the years I've seen many small business owners spend a lifetime working hard on their business and then spend so little time preparing their business for sale or succession. At this event we'll show you how to build a valuable, sellable business. We're going to discuss the 5 steps on how you do that. In my view, you should build a sellable and valuable business whether you want to sell it or not. Especially if you decide to sell to a corporate buyer, you're going to undertake a fairly extensive due diligence process. And what I found is most small business owners are just not prepared for that kind of process. And unfortunately, I've seen it where it's cost them millions. And finally, Noel Waring from Westpac Bank is going to discuss with you how you can use bank finance to grow your business. He's going to be discussing cash flow lending and how that can help you grow your business. So look forward to seeing you at the event, and I'm sure you're going to get a lot of great ideas. We'll catch you there.